about, David?
Hey, Mike.
It's good to hear. Hi, my name is Michael Parallax. I'm from Orlando, Florida. I'm really, really excited to be here on this beautiful, beautiful, amazing, wonderful stage that Elestial Sounds built with their hands. Oh man, it's okay. I'm like really jazzed to be here. I didn't know if I was going to be able to play, and then now I get to play, so I'm so excited. I'm going to play some music if you guys want to sing along and dance along. That would be great. If you don't want to sing or dance along, still please try to enjoy it. You'll probably enjoy it more if you do sing and dance. So like, come a little bit closer if you guys want. Not too close, because like if you get too close, you're not gonna be able to hear the music, but close enough that I could like make eye contact with you guys. Oh yeah. Thank you so much for running sound. One, two.
You guys have to sing along part. I'm going to teach it to you, and then we're just going to do it, and we'll see how it goes. So the lyrics are, though there's darkness in the light, we will be found. So those are pretty easy lyrics. I think you guys can get it. Trust you. There it goes. Though there's darkness in the night, we will be found. And though there's darkness in the night, we will be found. And though there's darkness in the night, we will be found. And though there's darkness in the night, we will be found. And that's it. So if you guys can sing along with that, it's going to be pretty rad, I think. Push a couple of buttons to set this thing up. It's really cool to be here in Jacksonville. I got to go to the beach the other day and it was really fun. I didn't get sunburned. Usually when I tell people that I don't usually get sunburned, I get sunburned really bad. And so I didn't tell anybody that I was like, maybe I get sunburned sometimes. Totally didn't get sunburned. So I'm really excited about that. All right, here we go. Nice little long applause here.
Lacuna.
Ouch. I'm schwitzing.
Yeah.
Can't open my shirt up anymore.
trying real hard to be a better man. Oh, I'm trying real hard to be a better man. If only words, if only words, if only words could describe what I'm going through. If only words, if only words, if only words could describe what you're going through. Because without you by my side, you know I fall apart. Yeah, without you by my side, you know I fall apart. And don't go, I said please don't go. Darling, please don't go. And don't you leave me behind. I said don't go, I said please don't go. Darling, please don't go. And don't you leave me behind. Thank you.
Yeah!
My name is Michael Parallax. I'm from Orlando, Florida. I'm so excited to be here inside of this beautiful stage that Elestial Sound built with their bare hands and their hearts. So if you guys go over to this little tent over here, they've got music and things that you can get. They can also vote for them because look at all this rad stuff that they're doing. It's really rad. All right, I think I'm going to do one last song and then be done. Is that right?
More!
Okay. All right, I'll do two more. Is that cool? All right, we'll do two. All right, so we're going to do two songs. This one, you guys have to sing along with also. I'm sorry that I keep putting that on you guys, where I'm like, you guys have to sing along.
We want to.
Good. Well, then I don't feel like I'm putting it on you. I'm just, asking, like we're friends. I'm asking like I'm your good friend, and I'm like, hey, I need a favor, and you're like, what, 15 bucks? And I'm like, no, better than that. You just have to sing, that's it. It's a lot easier. Well, or 15 bucks, I guess. So here we go. Oh, wait. Also, I used to skate when I was younger, and that half pipe still terrifies me. I fell really hard one time. So y'all be safe. Really close to being ready to do this, and then I'll just do it, and that's how it'll go. I never got to go to space camp as a kid. I don't know how many people did get to go. You went to space camp?
Fuck yeah.
Oh man, you went to.
Well, it was scientist camp and we covered space
Okay,
stuff.
one scientist camp and one space camp. We got to do outdoor science camp where we go in a cabin and we hike and do like nature hikes and stuff like that. That was fun, but still space.
Are you about to play Nature Hike?
What's that?
Is that the song you're about to play, Nature
Oh
Hike?
no, sorry. I'll do that later.
Space camp was always the most expensive.
Telepathically. I'm gonna gamble with this one. Semaphore. Anybody know how to semaphore? No one here knows what semaphore is. That's a bummer. It's the flags. When you're doing the flags. You guys learned something new today. Sing it with me. It goes 25 and I'm half a lot.
25 and I'm half a lot. 25 and I'm half a lot. 25 and I'm half a lot. 25 and I'm half a lot. 25 and I'm half a lot. 25 and I'm half a lot.
Don't talk when I'm talking to you. What I'm saying is true. Don't talk when I'm talking to you. What I'm saying is true. Thank you.
Yeah! You got it.
All right, guys, we're gonna do one last song, and then there's gonna be more amazing music. Also, go check out, I'm gonna turn the reverb off of my voice so you can hear me like a normal human being. Check out this tent over here and talk to them about what they're all about, because it's really amazing. And I wish I could, I don't know, I wish I could say that I did it, but I didn't. These guys did it, and it's incredible. So I'm really jazzed to be here in the middle of this stage. It's really awesome. Oh, just a question. Can I bring the microphone off the stage?
If you got the slot, yeah.
Okay, cool. I just want to make sure it doesn't feedback like crazy, and then everyone hates me for it.
You should be fine.
This will be my last song. Suddenly, when your whole world falls apart, and the static comes rolling in from the stereo. Suddenly, when your whole world falls apart, and the static comes rolling in from the stereo. A quick heads up, the drums kick in, and it's a really, really hard square wave. I don't want to destroy. Okay, you know, thank you so much, man. You're so wise. All right, here we go. We're all in this together. Let's get really loaded and round. So loaded and punched around. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you all so very much. We're gonna take the love here higher and higher. Take it higher and higher.
Higher and higher. Higher and higher. Higher and higher. Higher and higher. Higher and higher. Higher and higher. Higher and higher. Higher and higher. Higher. Not sure. Trying to walk away and I stumble. When I try to hide it, it's there. My world crumbles when you are not here. Goodbye and I choke. I try to walk away and I stumble. Will I try to hide it? It's there. My world crumbles when you are not here. Goodbye and I choke. I try to walk away and I stumble. And though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not here.
And it's true, guys. My world falls apart. You guys aren't there. Thanks so much for being here. My name's Michael Parallax. It's such an honor to be here in your guys' city. It's such an honor to be playing on your guys' stage. It's so beautiful and awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here. God bless you. God bless America. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. Good afternoon.
Yeah!
Michael Parallax, everyone. Give it up. Jacksonville, downtown.